We have a theorem for vector functions. This theorem says, suppose the vector valued function Rt is given to you as scalar functions f of t, g of t, and h of t. Well, if f, g, and h are differentiable functions, then you can just easily take the derivative of this vector function. Is a vector function, and f, g, and h are differentiable functions. Then we have the following scenario: r prime of t is equal to, well, you're going to have f prime of t, g prime of t, and h prime of t, or in vector format, you have f prime of t in the direction of x-axis plus g prime of t in the direction of y-axis plus h prime of t in the direction of z-axis. So if this scenario holds, then you can easily take the derivative of your vector function. Let's take a look at one example. This example says, well, suppose the vector function r of t is given to you as 1 plus 3 cubed and t e to power negative t and sine of 2t. Well, all of these functions are nice functions. You want to know what is r prime of t. Based on the theorem that we just discussed, since f of t, which is 1 plus t cubed, this is a very nice function, and g of t, which is t over e to power t, and h of t, which is the trig function sine 2t, are all differentiable. So we can follow the theorem. And r prime of t is nothing but, well, the derivative of 1 plus t cubed. The derivative of 1 is 0, and you have 2 squared. For t e to power negative t, you have to apply the product rule. Again, let's write down a short recall for you here. Let me use a different color. The derivative of t e to power negative t using product rule is equal to the derivative of t times e to power negative t plus t times the derivative of e to power negative t, which is equal to 1 e to power negative t, and here you have plus t times minus 1 e to power negative t. You can simplify this and write it as e to power negative t times 1 minus t. So the second component is nothing but e to power negative t, parentheses, 1 minus t. And then the last one is sine of 2t. Here you're going to apply the composition of two functions, sine and 2t. So the chain rule, 2 times cosine of 2t. This is our final answer.